YouTube cross-promoting explained for beginners. You can combine your expertise with other YouTubers in your industry to cross-promote your YouTube videos. When done correctly, collaborating, engaging, and networking with other content creators on YouTube can expose your YouTube channel to new audiences, plus help to improve the visibility of your brand on YouTube. Try to search for primary keywords in your niche. Then, look at the YouTube channels of the YouTubers that appear on the first page of the YouTube search results. We hope you enjoyed this short video about YouTube cross-promoting. Please click the link below this video to claim your YouTube SEO 8-part series in YouTube backlink generator software for free. Thank you and have a great day.